What's your tank range on that Husky? 100? 70?
Some. It does some miles.
I dropped it.
So I've riding today with Jim. He's just got himself a slightly underpowered KTM 1190, the 1090. Of course I'm on the CRF, and this guy called Mark's on his brand new Husky. What is it, 250? What's that, the fuel injected thingy?
Scratches with staples.
I did it though, on my old Jeep.
Not sure about these tyres though.
Yeah,
Not sure about these tyres.
we'll see, I'm just going to take it really steady and I'll see how I feel at the end of the first lane.
So those who don't know, James has had several adventure bikes over the years. He had a BMW F800 a couple of times. And then he keeps going back to sports bikes, but he keeps coming back to adventure bikes. So he's now... Well, the last couple of bikes he had was the Honda Fireblade, which he got rid of, and before that he had the 1190 Adventure R. And now he's got his 1090 Adventure R, and it's his first time off-roading in probably a year and a half. This lane can be a little bit tricky. The last time I was down this lane with a KTM, it was Lamb Chops Rise and he was in his 790 and that got the sidewall punctured.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I don't know what gear to be in.
Second.
That's what I mean, but just like...
You want to get out of first really quickly?
Oh yeah, I want to be out. I want to be in first. Right.
I forgot how good those things are.
Mate, I wasn't about to try and keep up with you.
Well,
Your arm hurts now, does it?
yeah, you're going to switch it off because we've got to do a bit of road now.
No, we haven't. It's just there.
No, that's a chalky one.
No, it's not.
Oh, you want to go down the chalky one?
No.
Yeah, that's a chalky one.
No, it's not. No, you're getting confused.
No, you go down here,
Yeah.
and then you go through a set of gates like that.
No, you turn right. It's fine. Don't
Oh,
worry
before it, yeah.
Don't worry.
We're not going to go left down the gate, because
No.
if we go down now and turn around.
Yeah.
So apart from when he purchased it and the initial ride from the dealership to his house, this is the bike's second outing and it's gone straight off-road.
You need to learn how to do a 1-point turn. Huh? You need to learn how to do a 1-point turn. No, I meant on the side stand. And James has binned it.
Oh. I was about to say, if I'm going to drop it, it'll be now.
Right, can you pick this up on your own or not? Hang on, we just broke the first rule of picking up a bike. We didn't put the side stand down.
Oh, I just squashed my bollock. You scratched it. I did it foot over. I went, oh, that's the crash bar.
Oh no! Would you have to drop it on road for you, Plum? Yay, embarrassment recorded. It's alright.
Yeah, he's got to check it. I had my...
There you go. You alright, James? Don't whiskey throttle, boy. He's doing alright for a newbie. You can see right there where he's so nervous. He needs to loosen up. He needs to be loose as anything. Not wearing goggles. You know, he needs to be so loose and so fluid. And he's doing alright. I mean, if you look there, he's doing quite alright. Hello. But yeah, he's doing alright. It's his first time out. It's his first time out. Absolute weapon that bike is. I can't see the ground, so I need to go on this side for a bit. Yeah, he's doing alright. I mean, if you look there, he's doing really well. He's still a bit stiff. He is so stiff, but it's his first time, so it's his first time out, so you can't really blame him. So he's staying in the middle. I mean, he's got the tyres for it. He's got a proper off-road weapon. I'm going to go over here because I don't. Whoa. Oh, it's got whipped in the eye.
So considering that Mark's never been off-roading before in his life, and he decided to start on his first bike to be a full enduro Husqvarna 250 fuel injected 2-stroke, yeah, that's quite a powerful first bike.
So James is doing very well with his road tyres. I mean, they're like 70-30 maybe, like 30% off-road. Alright for your dusty, rocky trails or something, but not your gravel maybe, but not thick mud, like what this is. Or have I chosen the bad side? No, it's alright. Oh, this is deep, boy! I got a car full of girls and it's going real swell. The next stop is the East Side Motel. Huh. So Mark, rubbish bike, you want to get rid of it now?
I forgot how good these bikes are.
Hey! Da, da, da. There was something in the water.
Oh, did you hit a log or something?
There was something in the
Did I
water.
get you wet as I went through?
Not really. I was.
I tried to stop.
No, that's
and then
all
I was
right.
like, ah shit, it's too late.
When was it fell over then, Mark? I've had to do it off.
So we've all dropped our bike once today then.
Everyone's dropped it once.
Yeah.
That's a good haul.
I dropped over.
Me and you had the same sort of embarrassment.
Can't do a U-turn. Me, I just can't go through a puddle.
That's always my thing though. We went to Wales, did loads really hard off-roading, it fell over turning around.
What about going up Stella?
What about Hadley? Fell over on the road.
What?
Oh,
He almost fell over now.
Stella, that was a guy.
Remember, I'm very short and this is a very short bike.
That's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, share it on Facebook, Bebo, Twitter, MySpace, all of that, whatever. Catch you next video. Ciao.